ChatGPT has been with us for some time. I've heard stories that programmers are no longer needed, that artificial intelligence has replaced them. I'm not a professional programmer, but programming these development boards is my side job. So I wanted to check, can artificial intelligence write code for this fellow? The result of my research is this poker game on a breadboard. When I was younger, they were similar machines in bars. This is not Texas Hold'em, this is simple poker. Out of 5 cards, I have to choose the cards I will hold using these push buttons. And after the other cards have been replaced, a check is made to see if I have won anything. And if so, points are added to my credit or score. If I increase the stake or bet, I will also increase points I can win. Artificial intelligence helped me in making this game, but the question is how much? You will find that very soon, but first let's see who is sponsor of this video. Sponsor of this video is PCBWay, and our sponsor message is: this project is too cool to be on breadboard and it deserves a custom PCB. And PCBWay is best choice for that task. They produced all my PCBs and I hope they will produce this one. Don't forget to check their site, because here you can find many interesting projects. Some of them are even mine. And you can order your PCBs, or they have also CNC or 3D printing service. In this video I will tell you how I made this. By the way, this is currently my favorite board, LilyGo T-Display S3 with an AMOLED screen. So this is an ESP32 board and I use Arduino IDE to program it. In the description you can find links and instructions how to use this board, and of course don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel. And if you want, you can support my work by buying me a coffee. The links are in the video description. So I wanted to make a poker game. I needed pictures of playing cards. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a free deck of cards, so I bought pictures on Etsy. After a few hours of editing my pictures, they were ready. In this folder I have all the cards stored in the correct size and in correct order. I converted all cards into code and stored them in this large array. Each card is represented as a number. Card 0 is 2 of clubs, card 1 is 3 of clubs, and so on. And then I decided that programming game logic would be a good task for ChatGPT. And now I will show you my conversation with ChatGPT. I will not show whole conversation because it is too long. We have a little fight and disagreement, but overall I'm quite happy how this work. So we agreed about deck, about cards, order of cards, and here are basic functions, which will shuffle my deck and pick 5 random cards for my hand. No, here I ask, can you add function that deal 5 cards? And here it is. Even with my bad English and simple words, ChatGPT was able to understand what I want. Then I asked, great, can you add function? I want to pick which cards I want to hold. And here is new function. Now I want to replace cards that are not held and print my new hand. And I have new new function and whole code. During the conversation I was testing my code in online simulator. I don't know. So for example, here was code. Your current hand is 10 of spades, 10 of clubs, 3 of diamonds, 9 of hearts, 10 of diamonds. So I have 1, 2, 3 tens. First, select the cards you want to hold. 0 is no, 1 is yes. I want to hold first card. I want to hold second card. 0 because third card I don't need. 4 card I don't need. And last card I want to hold 1. Your new hand is 10 of spades, 10 of clubs, king of clubs, 2 of clubs, 10 of diamonds, and I have 3 of kinds, so 3 tens. So this was part which worked great. Then I wanted to add jokers as wild card, but this was a little too complicated. And after some time I decided that I will not use jokers. And then I asked it, can you make me same code for Arduino IDE? And here it is. But now I uploading that code to every time to real Arduino board and use serial monitor don't make sense, so I also use a simulator called Wokwi. I don't know how to pronounce that. And here is code. And it works same. Your hand 7 of hearts, 9, and I need to choose which to hold. And this is code I used to make everything else. So our ChatGPT helped me with these functions, with shuffle functions, select card to hold, and most importantly, this is I would lose so much time to make this function, evaluate hand, to check my winning. Do I have 3 of kind, 4 of kind, 2 pairs, straight or flash? So these are functions which are very hard to program because cards are represented as numbers. So this is what ChatGPT made, and this is what I made. And now conclusion. I refused to use this tool for a long time. I love to solve my problems myself, but now I kind of like it. Hardest part of this project is solved by ChatGPT function, which will check what I have in hand. Could I make it myself? Yes, but I would need hours to figure it out. This way it was finished in a few seconds. Is this tool powerful? Yes, it is. Can it replace programmers? No, it can't. You will still need to do your part if you want your software to work. Will I use this in future? Maybe I will. Thank you. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Do you use ChatGPT? If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.